Welcome back everybody to another cryptocurrency video. My name is Patrick and you are watching Everything is Crypto. Now today I wanted to talk to you guys about the new Coinbase listing called Cartesi Network, otherwise known as CTSI. But before we get into today's video, if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I try and upload different crypto projects that have high potential, as well as news along with those other different cryptocurrencies. But be sure to also smash the like button for today's video, and if you haven't seen my previous video, I suggest you do so you can get in on the giveaway that I am currently running for $250, 5 winners of $50 each, and you can find that on my Twitter, as I will be announcing the people who win on my Twitter. But the giveaway will be in crypto. But now diving into the Cartesi Network, if you guys don't know what the Cartesi Network is, well, the Cartesi Network utility token is what powers the Cartesi Network. So their aim is to solve blockchain scalability and high fees using a technology called optimistic rollups. So the Cartesi token can be used for staking and fees for processing onto the network. So mainly Cartesi enables smart contract creation using mainstream programming languages. Now, the Cartesi network has been designed to incentivize Cartesi node operators to engage with the system honestly and in an efficient way. As you can see, the website looks very well done along with the UI, and on their CoinGecko there are over 19,000 people that have liked this token, and currently the price is only 68 cents as I'm recording. It may go down when the video goes up, or it may go up, I don't know, but it is down a lot since its all-time high date, which was $1.74. Now, the Cartesi network does have 3 main objectives that I would like for you guys to see and learn more about. So with the first having limitless coding, the second is massive scalability, and the third is privacy guarantees. Now diving into limitless coding, which is building smart contracts with mainstream software stacks, take a productive leap from Solidity to the vast universe of software components supported by Linux. Now that is based on their platform, as you can build smart contracts for your project or whatever project you are working on directly on the Cartesi network, and that's cool to see. Also, with that being said, on the Cartesi network you can directly build with whatever blockchain you prefer. So going down on their website, you can see that they do have a bunch you can choose from the main 2 being Binance Smart Chain and the Ethereum mainnet, of course, but you do also have Polygon, Avalanche, Elton, and Inject. So if you are a developer, I do highly suggest checking out Cartesi Network, as they do offer you quite a bit, of course coming from a developer's standpoint. Now with the massive scalability, to dumb it down, that just means the property of a system to handle a growing amount of work by adding resources to the system. So in that case being their Cartesi network, so they can handle a lot of things getting thrown at it while continuing to resource their network and build on it. And of course, last but not least, the privacy guarantee. Now I do like projects that focus on privacy, as I believe that is an issue that will always be an issue in different applications, and that's just not on the blockchain, but with anything online in general. Now, I am not a developer nor financial expert, so this video is not a buy or sell signal. However, I do see the potential in this project from a developer's standpoint, as well as an investor in general, as they are partnered with a bunch of different companies. Now, you can find these companies directly on their website, but some of them include Creole, SimThunder, Creeps, and Polygon, which with Polygon they have created a poker tournament out of. So I think that's really neat to see, and I'm curious to see how that's going to play out in effect coming on to the later months and years. Not to mention, you also can stake directly on the Cartesi network. But before we get into that, there is one thing I should point out on the Cartesi network, and that is that they use NoEther, and NoEther is Cartesi's side chain designed for temporary data availability. It allows dApps to achieve high throughput and storage of large files with much reduced fees. NoEther's proof of stake system is ready now, and you can stake your Cartesi tokens and earn mine rewards to participate in the Cartesi's growing network of validators. Now, I just read that directly off their website, as I'm not too familiar with NoEther, and they have a pretty good explanation on their website anyway, so I'm not going to try and dumb it down for you guys, as I'm not too familiar with it, but it seems very straightforward to understand. Now, like I mentioned, you can also stake on their website, and as you can see, there is the number of active nodes, the total staked, which is already over 77 million, which is pretty impressive, and then you have the estimated earning, which is really high, coming in at 89.9%, and then the participation rate at 21.2%. And again, that's going to vary depending what amount of tokens you have and how much you're staking. And then of course, scrolling down, you can see the different blocks, and clicking on one of them, you can see the difficulty, which will show you how difficult the problem algorithm is to solve the equation for the staking. But going to the bottom, you can actually see the different users who already have staked, and you can see how much they have earned in rewards from staking, which I think is awesome because it's always cool to see what other people are making, especially the big wallet holders and whales, of course. And if you are interested in knowing how much you can potentially make from staking, you can click on the calculator at the top and you can see how much you want to stake and how many days you will leave it in staking. And again, this all prefers how much you're going to stake, how many days you're going to leave it in, if you're going to leave it in at all. Some people leave it in for a few days to stake, some people leave it in for a long time. And then of course you have the impermanent loss with staking, but you can see how your estimates will play out through staking. Now that is Cartesi Network in a nutshell. It's very straightforward, very easy to understand, and I tried to dumb it down very simple for you guys. They do offer you a lot of things, but like I said, if you guys are interested in the project, follow them on their Twitter, join their Telegram. Now I usually say this for all projects, is that way you can see what other investors are saying, as well as you can ask and contact the team if you have any questions, and to also just get a better idea of the project in general and seeing if this is a good investment for you. Now at the end of the day, I do give this an A grading, and I do believe it has high potential. Now I'm going to start giving projects different gradings for how well project seems, as well as what they attempt to accomplish. So I do give this an A grading. But that's going to be all from me today, you guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys did, be sure to leave me a thumbs up down below, as I do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for the support. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you are new. I do try and post almost every day. Every 2 days is currently what I'm doing, but I'm going to try and do it every single day. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you all have a wonderful investing trading week, and I will see you guys on my next cryptocurrency video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and take care, you guys.